you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown instead.
So I'm back home from shopping and I'm about to fix my the saucepan I bought today. So let's see how that goes. They seem to drown instead. I've always wondered
single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about ya makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do-ba-do-be-do-do, do-be-do, do-do-do-do-do-day. Do-ba-do-be-do-do, do-be-do, do-do-do-do-do-day. Do-ba-do-be-do-do, do-be-do, do-do-do-do-do-day. Do-ba-do-be-do-do, do-do-do-do-da-da-da-da-da. I spend all my time on trying to write this song. When I make you look my way, I wanna be someone you can be.
Today is Tuesday and I'm on my way. No, I'm not on my way, but I'm getting ready to go to work. I just need to go downstairs and get a bus. I think it's currently it's currently 8:24 and it takes about 30 minutes to get there. So I think I'll just rush down and get a bus. I don't know if I'm the only one, but then I wake up early. On a normal day, I'm never late to, no, I am usually not late to places, but when it comes to work, I wake up like 2 hours before, no, not 2 hours, maybe 1.5 hours. I wake up like around 7:15, but I just don't get a lot done before I go to work, which is weird to me. I need to find a balance because I want to wake up, like do things before I go to work. But for now, I'm figuring out if I should when do people wake up to go to work? Like, do they wake up very early or they just rush? Because I am always rushing. But anyways, I'll just go downstairs now and I'll see you guys later. Today is Sunday. It's currently around 1:30 and I'm just sitting here. The weather is so good. Like it's around like 15 degrees. It's like it's not very cold and it's not hot. So I'm really enjoying the weather until it gets so cold that I can't manage. I haven't talked much in this vlog, so I just wanted to like talk. I am so alone bored, so I feel like I can talk to my camera and then that should be fine. Last week was so stressful for me. I think I ended the vlog at where I went to work and then some things happened. So I was just so anxious and nervous for whatever I was preparing for. So I just stopped vlogging. But today is another day and I hope I sorted everything out. So let's hope things go as planned. But yeah, I just wanted to like rant a bit about like job hunting because like now that I have obviously graduated, I have to find a job to survive because I'm an adult now. It's really scary. Like one thing about me, I really hate interviews. They make me anxious. Like I just can't eat, I can't sleep when somebody invites me for an interview. So like that's one aspect of like the job hunting aspect that scares me so much. But anyways, like now that I'm done with school, I'm supposed to. I need to find a job. I need to like have a plan on what I want to do and all of that. And before I had like a lot of things that were in the way. Like I needed to sort out my visa, I needed to graduate, have a certificate. But like now I feel like everything is done and it all depends on me now. However, I have been, because I need to survive here, I have been working like every single day of the week, and I feel like the job hunting like situation requires like so much attention. It's like a whole job on its own for me to like make specific applications, which I don't think I have the time now. So I don't really like, I'm just a confused person now. Like I feel like I don't have, because if I'm working 7 days a week, I don't know which time in the day or I can sacrifice my sleep. I want to make time to like really take like the job hunting or job search process serious, because we are entering a new year and I want to have my life together and feel like I want to feel like things are in order. That's what makes me feel okay. But yeah, that's what I'm like. I'm not frustrated, but then I just feel like I want to do something and I don't know how to go about it. But anyways, yeah, so in the coming weeks, I think I want to take the whole process serious, because in order to survive here, I really need to find like a job. I already have a very limited pool because I don't speak Chinese and like other factors involved, but then I just have to keep trying. That's a little bit about like the job hunting situation. That's my only way out, because I'm not like going back to school anytime soon. So I really need to find one. So maybe I'm gonna show you guys the process of me finding a job, or maybe not, because I feel like it's gonna be a stressful thing for me to even pick up a camera and film. But I think I'll keep you guys updated if I find a job or not. But I need to find one. Like I really have to find a job. I wanna be in the right state of mind. So I'm gonna take it one day at a time, and I'll keep you guys updated if something comes my way.
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside.
Hi guys, so I'm back home from work. Today is Tuesday, and this week is gonna be my last week of the internship I'm currently doing. So I'm currently like wrapping up and doing a lot of stuff, and I've been like kind of busy. I don't like using the word busy. I mean, I've been doing a lot of stuff, and I've not really been doing like a lot of fun things to film. But yeah, my life has just been, I go to work, come back home, eat, sleep, do it again, and the cycle continues. But then because we are going on like holidays, I was supposed to end on the 31st or so. No, I was supposed to end on the 31st, but because everybody is going home for like Christmas holidays and stuff, I'm gonna end my contract at the end of this week. So instead of going to work 3 days in a week, I'm gonna go to work like the entire week to like wrap up things and finish everything I'm supposed to do. So yeah, that's what I've been up to, and that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the week. I don't think there's gonna be anything interesting to film. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It's not really like a lot of fun stuff, but then that's my daily activities for now, and I'm hoping I get to do something fun over the holidays. I'm really like hoping, because I finally like want to live a slow life and like have fun, enjoy like the little things. And I think that's my goal for 2025, to just like live life and just take a year of like take the year. I want my 2025 to be like chill, just living life. Of course I would have like ups and downs, stressful days maybe at work or something, but then I want it to be really really chill, just like a year off type of thing. that's my plan. I don't know, but let's see how it goes. But I'm gonna end this vlog here, and hopefully maybe I'll actually film maybe my last week as an intern or something. But for now, I hope you like this vlog, and I'll see you in my next video.